Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you all my mods I've done on my 2008 R6. There's so many of them I've done over the years. Okay, so let's start here. So I've got these Rizoma replica mirrors. I don't like the stock ones, they're too big, they're too bulky. I like the slim design of this, and also the visibility is good as well. Another mod I've done is this visor, tinted visor. I like it better than the clear one. It complements the black bike as well, very nice. I've also put white lights. I'll show you later when I start the bike. The regular ones are yellow. I like the whites better. They make the bike look nicer and also newer. Another thing is I put this here, so it protects from the sun. This carbon fiber here looks nice. I also changed the levers, this one and also the other one here. You can adjust the settings as you like, shorter, longer distance. I like it here, the longer distance, because I have big hands. I also put these ones here. I like how the bike looks with them, more aggressive, like MotoGP style, and also it protects you from hitting the brake on some things, or if you crash, so the bike doesn't flip over. It makes the bike look aggressive. Also these protectors here and on the other side, so if the bike falls, you have some protection there. Another thing I've done is the rear seat. I've taken out the rear seat, put this. Looks more like racing type, since I don't have a passenger, because I also removed the foot pegs, because the bike looks better like this. Looks like the whole rear is floating. Here's a farther view. I like this look that it has without the rear pegs. Unless there's some MILF I have to pick up, then I put the foot pegs and the seat. Another mod I've done is the M4 exhaust, which it sounds amazing. I love it a lot. I think it's one of the best sounding exhausts on the market. Also this here for the standard. Another thing I've done since I removed the foot pegs is I put this thing, and also on the other side as well, so it does so it's not a hole you can see through. Another thing I have is tinted back light, this one here, and also when you give the blinkers, they're in here, right here, left here. I'll show you later. And since we're talking about blinkers, also change these blinkers for small ones, not those big yellow bulky ones. These slim design blinkers on the front. There's the other one. And what else? Oh yeah, I removed this plastic cover for the water protection, so it doesn't splash you, but I like it way better like this, since you can see the almost the full tire, and I like how it looks more aggressive like this. I also put GoPro mounts here and here. And another very important thing I like is the gear shift thing. This one, GI Pro, that I can see the gears when I'm shifting. Sometimes you forgot what gear you're in, and I like this. You can see what gear you're in. And also the domino, these ones right here, domino grips, which in my opinion, they're one of the best grips I've had. Very, very grippy and also not expensive at all. What else I've done? I think that's pretty much it, unless I'm missing something. Now I'll show you the headlights, how they look, and the rear light with the blinkers. Forgot one more thing to show you, that I put this thing on for the license plate. You just put the license plate and it's nice and sleek. It doesn't have that ugly rear big rack for the license plate. Got another small detail that I put is this Yamaha red caps. They pop very nice with the vinyl on the wheels. Here's the other one as well. So here's how the bike sounds. I'm gonna show you the headlights right now. They look sick nighttime. I also will show you a video how they look at night. Here's the backlight.